कि ऑफ स्क्रीन रिपोर्ट्स भी ये आ जाती है कि रियल लाइफ में भी केमिस्ट्री है या रियल लाइफ में भी दे आर डेटिंग. आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम द हॉर्सेस माउथ टुडे व्हाट इज द ट्रूथ.
It is very close to me. I told my mom कि आपको ऐसा लगता है कि इन्हें कुछ इनकारनेशन है ये किसी का, कोई इनको ऐसी ड्रीम्स आती हैं क्या?
वाओ.
यू नो लाइक कोई ऐसी किसी की ड्रीम्स, शाहरुख खान की ड्रीम्स है. शी स्टेज बैक इन द इंडस्ट्री, शी हैज द कैलिबर टू बिकम द नेक्स्ट शाहरुख खान.
Aditi Sharma's entry, do you think that was one of the reasons that the TRPs started dropping?
I think that is one of the factors.
तू धड़कन में दिल, कभी नीम नीम कभी शहज, जैसे जो न्यूली लॉन्च शोज हैं उनके ओपनिंग TRPs भी of course have not been very great. Do you think y'all still deserve the chance above these shows?
With due respect, with all due respect to all those shows, I think yes, of course.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hi Khushi, welcome to India Forums.
Hi.
How have you been?
I've been great. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you so much for coming all the way and talking to us today. Okay, talking about Jadoo Teri Nazar, we'll start with the show. How has life been after the show coming to an end?
I think Jadoo Teri Nazar was a show which was very close to my heart. Also because Ashikana ki unit thi. The entire team was from Ashikana. We were coming back after like a lot of years after Ashikana had ended abruptly. People were expecting that we'll come up with a season 5, and fans were doing Twitter trends and rebelling. Ki, we want season 5, we want Ashikana season 5 back, and all of that. And then miraculously, because this happens. I don't think it has happened in TV previously that the same pair has been repeated in a completely different universe or show. And Jadoo Teri Nazar is a completely different universe. It has supernatural powers. एक हीरो एक हीरोइन है, लेकिन दोनों like एक डीमन है और एक एंजल है. सो राइट फ्रॉम द स्टोरी से लेके गौरी का कैरेक्टर, विहान का कैरेक्टर, ऑफ कोर्स Zain and I were coming back. There's a different kind of comfort I share with Zain, of course, because it's been a wonderful journey in Ashikana, and people have loved our chemistry like anything, which is why they wanted us back. And Gul ma'am, she's like a family to me, so मैं बहुत खुश थी. And we were giving our more than 1000% to the show. फीवर हो रहा है, एक भी ऑफ नहीं है. Since 7 months we didn't have a single day off. Just one day off, I remember one. उसमें भी मैं कहीं और शूट कर रही थी, तो practically no day offs. तो बहुत unfortunate था, because none of us were expecting, since the TRP was increasing, so we weren't expecting. We were in fact happy the day the TRP increased. We were really happy that okay, now the graph is, because we started with the
Bang, of course,
rocking 2,
right.
2.0 TRP से start किया, and everybody was shaken ki, like, which show is this which has got a opening TRP of 2 on Star, when actually the highest TRPs were 2.1, 2.2. So we were in the top 5 for good first 15 to 20 episodes. And but of course, I mean, there are multiple factors जिसकी वजह से things went haphazard, and I was really in despair. मतलब जब last day था, तो I was last day आने से पहले a couple of days पहले हमें पता चल गया कि it's gonna go off air, and I got a message from my producer that it's a wrap. And I was like, I told her, आप मेरे साथ मजाक कर रही हो? What मजाक is this? I was laughing it off, because I had no idea that we're actually going off air. So but I got to know from my director, from everybody, that no, even we've got this message. And I had a con call and all of that. So I was last day मैं बहुत रो रही थी. मैं और Zain दोनों ही बहुत रो रहे थे. मतलब 2 बच्चे साइड में बैठ के एकदम वैसे भुलक भुलक के रो रहे थे. So it was very close to my heart, and I don't think I take acting as a work. It's my passion, and I was really attached to the show. So I was not happy at all. But yeah, I mean, yeah.
Right. Okay. People are still reeling from the shock of your show coming to an end.
Yeah.
When you learned of the same, of course, you revealed कि क्या आपका reaction था. How did you come to terms with it?
I don't think I've still come to terms with it. I don't think I'll at any point of time in my life I'll come to terms with it, especially when it's an abrupt ending, when people aren't
Absolutely.
expecting, Um, but I think see, there were a lot of, I mean, if I talk about the factors, there were a lot of slot changes that we had, and a couple of other things also might have gone outside the line, I'm sure. But I think we had a lot of potential as a show because this was the only show on Star which was, fortunately, which was having a lot of, which was different, which was mounted very grandly. We were doing stunts, we were doing harness sequences, there was magic happening, there was drama, there was everything. तो हाँ थोड़ा सा था but ठीक है I'm optimistic in this way that if not this then of course something much more
Better.
beautiful might be coming up, which is why this ended.
Right.
और कुछ बहुत अच्छा ही आ रहा होगा. Everything happens for a reason. I truly believe in that, and yeah, that's how I've come to terms with it.
Right. Okay. Opened up in the top 5 race, like you also mentioned, and continued on the top 10 race too. Eventually, the show declined.
Yeah.
What do you think went wrong?
What went wrong? I think, like I said, slot changes का मुझे ऐसा लगता है might have been one of the factors, क्योंकि कभी हम 8 पे थे, कभी थोड़ा 7:30 पे थे, कभी 8:15 पे थे, तो might have been one of the things. I'm just guessing. But apart from that, I think I really don't know what went wrong. I mean, honestly speaking, because um, I think we were almost there to cater exactly what the audiences wanted, and maybe just before that it went off air, or maybe it's something with the shows in general. Also, I feel कि ना बहुत जल्दी आते हैं और बहुत जल्दी before they can even like give a kickstart to the main storyline. It just but genuinely, this is one of the shows I really don't know what went wrong. I can just guess.
Right. Okay. One of the factors which the audience did, speaks about and they did not like was Aditi Sharma's entry in this show between yours and Zayan's characters, and it was not well received by the viewers, of course.
Yeah.
Do you think that was one of the reasons that the TRPs started dropping from that point onwards?
I don't know if it's right on my part to comment on this. Might have been, might have not been. See, it also depends upon what the audiences have been looking
It's not
for in
about
the
just
show.
the actress
Yeah,
or
like
her
in
name per
general,
se.
yeah.
In general, any
Yeah,
other.
yeah. I think that is one of the factors. I mean, I think probably they after Ashikana they wanted to see more of me and
Absolutely,
Zen, and
right.
maybe more of that chemistry and more of all of that, and which is so I'm so blessed. Literally, I don't think people have such an ardent fandom right now in the industry. कि मतलब Zeshi and Yakians and Gauri Hans वो they've been a very loyal audience and a constant fan base. So I think maybe some of them, like जो youth होती है specifically, उनको they want to see their favorite couple coming
Absolutely,
closer,
right.
coming closer, and maybe they were not getting much of that. We were progressing to that point, but वो आया ही नहीं तब तक. So
Right.
that is what I think हुआ. और उसके बीच में when there's a third angle, sometimes I mean audiences are so attached. मैं भी अगर कोई movie देख रही हूँ और मुझे हीरो हीरोइन को ही साथ में देखना है, तो अगर कोई थर्ड पर्सन आता है तो it's a human tendency to just backlash
Right.
कि यार ये क्यों, first let me see their chemistry and all of that. So might have been.
Right.
Yeah. Even in Ashikana, I remember when there was an introduction of a third character, we had experienced a lot of backlash even then. So probably it is because audiences are emotionally attached. Now, if that was the reason for the staggering TRP or something, I'm not sure of that. But yeah, एक human tendency है, attached है couple से, and especially Zeshi for that matter. तो थोड़ा सा I think वो शायद रहा हो.
Right. Okay. There are several other shows on the channel that have been performing below average. तू धड़कन मैं दिल, कभी नीम नीम, कभी शहज, जैसे जो न्यूली लॉन्च शोज हैं, उनके ओपनिंग टीआरपीज भी ऑफ कोर्स हैव नॉट बीन वेरी ग्रेट. डू यू थिंक y'all still deserve the chance above these shows?
With due respect, with all due respect to all those shows, I think yes, of course, because um, we were bringing something very different on the plate.
Absolutely.
And also performance wise, I think Zen and I have tried to like outdo ourselves because जो sequences होते थे जादू तेरी नज़र is not a normal show to pull off, I feel, because बहुत सारा there's a lot of tragedy happening, also there's a lot of भागम दौड़ी, then there's emotional side to it, also there's funny side, जैसे गौरी का जो character है, I didn't know how to drive properly. I know how to drive an automatic, but I'm not a well-versed driver. तो मैं बहुत दिन तक I'm struggling क्योंकि हम real locations पे shoot कर रहे थे, so I was doing that, and बहुत सारे हम सुपर शोज को पुल ऑफ करना थोड़ा इन जनरल थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है बिकॉज if there's any action sequence or any drama sequence आप एकदम से ऐसे you can't complete it as per the
Right.
timeline, you know, so it's not a normal saas bahu show that we were trying to make. And I also received this review from people that like after a long time we've come up with such a show. जैसे लोग ट्वाइलाइट सीरीज के बहुत फैन हैं, वेम्पायर डायरीज काफी देखते हैं, सुपरनैचुरल
course.
शोज भी काफी लाइक करते हैं, आजकल स्त्री भी इतना चल रहा था, तो वी वर काइंड ऑफ इन दैट जॉनरा. तो हाँ, थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है मेहनत हमने बहुत ज्यादा की, तो यार किसी को भी अपने शो के लिए लगेगा कि थोड़ा पोटेंशियल ज्यादा थी, तो या
Right.
and also I felt very bad for the Zeshians because they really wanted this to work because they wanted to see more of us, so yeah.
Right, okay. Yours and Zayan's chemistry has always been deeply appreciated, right from Ashikana times. I'm sure it was easier for you to work with him when you all came together for the second time.
Yeah.
Tell us कि कैसा था वो जब आप लोग सेकंड टाइम साथ में काम कर रहे थे, एंड ऑल्सो डू यू हैव अब तो, क्योंकि चलो एक बार जब काम कर लेते तो पता होता है कि सेकंड टाइम वापस कभी ना कभी साथ में आ जाएंगे,
हाँ.
साथ में एक शो कर लेंगे. थर्ड टाइम थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट लगता है कि अब एक और
Yeah,
शो.
correct.
तो वो उम्मीद कुछ है अब, खुशी?
यार मैं थोड़ी इस वे में मैं थोड़ी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, मैं ऐसा नहीं है, मैं बहुत पेसिमिस्टिक भी हो जाती हूँ कभी कभी कि अब तो नहीं होगा, अब तीसरी बार तो क्या ही, बट आई थिंक आई एम वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक बिकॉज यू नो आवर केमिस्ट्री रियली स्पीक्स ऑन स्क्रीन. एंड जैसे अब दीपिका और शाहरुख खान सर जो है, दीपिका मैम और शाहरुख खान, आई रियली अडोर बोथ ऑफ देम, एंड वीव सीन देम get repeated in a lot of films back to back, Jawan, Pathaan, ye Om Shanti Om, like you know, all of that. So I don't think it's very much of a big deal to repeat a pair as long as the relevancy and the chemistry and the fire between them is still you know, sparkling. And हाँ, बस ये लगता है थोड़ा सा कि whatever we do next, it outshines and you know it ऑडियंसेस को हैप्पी कर पा रहे, दैट्स बेसिकली द एंटायर थिंग. हाँ, और थोड़ा कंफर्ट लेवल तो रहता ही है. ईजी था कि नहीं, ऐसा नहीं था कि बहुत ईजी था, बिकॉज ऑल्सो वी हैड टू ब्रिंग आउट अ केमिस्ट्री विच इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम यश एंड चिक्की, क्योंकि अभी मैं कुछ दिन पहले दुबई गई थी, सो एक मुझे लेडी मिली थी, she was a very die-hard आशिकाना fan, and उनको ना किसी ने उन्होंने बोला ये तो चिक्की है, I just went to receive an award, and तो she was like ये चिक्की है, and then she started laughing hysterically कि हाँ ये चिक्की थोड़े होंगी, ये चिक्की थोड़े ही है. Then she came and touched me and she's like आप चिक्की है, आप तो बंदूक चलाती हैं, आप तो ऐसे लग रहे हो, अब आप ऐसे लग रहे हो, आप तो बहुत ये हो. तो लोगों के ना दिमाग में एक एनग्रेन हो जाता है, यू नो, एक केमिस्ट्री एनग्रेन हो जाती है, कैरेक्टर भी एनग्रेन हो जाता है, तो उसको थोड़ा सा अलग हम दिखाना चाहते थे, ऐसा ना लगे कि वही यश और चिक्की एग्जैक्टली यहीं पे आ गए.
राइट.
स्पेशली फॉर विहान्स कैरेक्टर आई वुड से, तो हाँ, उस वे में थोड़ा सा था.
राइट, ओके. बट व्हेन यू नो, जब हम ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री अडोर करते हैं और हमें पसंद आती है, एक्टर्स के केसेस में हमने अक्सर ये देखा है कि ऑफ स्क्रीन रिपोर्ट्स भी ये आ जाती है कि रियल लाइफ में भी केमिस्ट्री है, या रियल लाइफ में भी दे आर डेटिंग. आप दोनों के केस में भी ऐसी काफ़ी रिपोर्ट्स आई हैं. आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम द हॉर्सेस माउथ टुडे, व्हाट इज द ट्रूथ टू दिस, एंड हाउ डू द टू ऑफ यू रिएक्ट टू दीज रिपोर्ट्स?
It is very close to me, and yeah, we to these reports, तो अभी किसी ने पूछ दिया था कि आपकी तो शादी हो रही थी, आपकी तो this was all over the place that somebody is calling me, आपकी engagement हो रही है, आपने बताया नहीं, आपकी शादी हो रही है, आपने बताया नहीं. So these are all rumors, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. शादी, engagement और ये सब, we both are, for now, since we're very young, we're focusing on our careers, and I think it's a go with the flow thing, or yeah, that's it.
Okay. You were also a part of Aak Micholi,
Yeah.
Which was perceived to be a sequel of Diya Bati. The comparisons between the shows and also between yours and Deepika's looks Do you think they backfired in any way?
Might have, might have. I mean, they should not see it as a second version of anything because a second version of anything is just a copy. You know, it lacks originality. Anything, like even in films, I think if you try to make a second copy of something, they will start comparing. It should have not been seen that way. Um, but even for that show, I would say, I think, firstly, 6:30 slot isn't, I don't think, I mean, it was a very great slot for us, considering the show was a very, like, people really like the story of the show. मेरे relatives जो नाना नानी थे, उनके friends, मेरे friends, कोई random friends, everybody were telling me that they're liking the story. And I was playing an IPS, I was doing action sequences. Also, there was a family drama going on, so it was an overall package. But I think usme bhi, I think we were not at a prime slot, and also I think the story just drifted from what it probably showed in
Was,
the
right.
promos, and probably it didn't drift, it reached the main point late. So जब वो main point आया तब तक मैं show बंद हो गया. So
Right.
yeah, we could have probably, if it was a little earlier, it would have उसमें भी यही हुआ था कि TRP increase हो रही है, and फिर अचानक से, because you know that's what they predict. जब तक you cannot predict कि TRP increase होगी या क्या, जब तक कि
Right.
actually वो increase ना हो जाए. So it started increasing, but unfortunately, yeah.
Right, but as an actor, Kushi, tell me one thing: do you feel bad when your shows receive such, good start? इतने अच्छे होते हैं, शुरुआत इतनी अच्छी होती है, काफ़ी अच्छे shows आपने किए हैं, stories इतनी अच्छी आप choose करती हैं, scripts अच्छी होती हैं, but when it comes to the TRP, वो fruition वहाँ तक नहीं होता है, conceive नहीं होता, audience footfall नहीं आता, तो as an actor, does it leave you disappointed, heartbroken? Do you ever question yourself? ऐसा कुछ कभी होता है, self doubt?
मुझे फॉर्चुनेटली सेल्फ डाउट कभी भी नहीं हुआ. आई वाज कमिंग टू दैट पॉइंट, क्योंकि मुझे जादू तेरी नज़र में भी एज गौरी आई रिसीव्ड सो मच ऑफ लव, लाइक
Right.
so much of love. People were living that journey of Gauri with me. People were writing messages and mails ki, like big mails of them getting inspired. Even when I was playing Chikki, even when I was playing Rukmini. When I was playing Chikki, I remember people used to write ki I was, probably they were gonna take some big step in their life. And yeah, I'll continue.
हाँ.
So when I was playing Chikki, I remember people used to mail me. I got mails from a couple of girls, young girls, and authentic mails ki we were about to, take a big step in our lives, something which was very devastating, and we saw your show, and मुझे IPS बनना था, मुझे ये बनना था, मुझे relationship में समझ में नहीं आ रहा था मैं क्या करूँ, but आपका जो character है उसको देख के, it instilled a spirit inside me, and I started thinking like Chikki, I started thinking like Rukmini also, for that matter, even in Aankh Mein Choli, for whatever while we were shooting it. If I'm able to leave that much of impact as Gauri, as Chikki, as whatever character I'm playing, so as an actor I'm very much satisfied. वो मेरे में वैसा नहीं लगा मुझे कि because I'm getting all the love I wanted
Right.
from the audience, and it just multiplies, and I'm thankful to my audiences for that. But हाँ, मतलब even for जादू तेरी नज़र, we completed 150 episodes. We were just hoping we'll complete the number of episodes promised, which was 200. So for Jadoo, I think we couldn't understand where the TRP started dropping, because we were at a nice 1.9, 1.8, 1.7, and then something went off, which we didn't have the time to recover that audience. जो भी maybe बीच में कुछ ऐसा हुआ होगा कि we lost some audience and we couldn't regain it, because regaining audience is a little difficult.
Absolutely. Right.
हाँ.
So commercial success as such, shows की commercial success does not bother you?
Not that much, no. Not for me, because I'm an actor and मैं अपने
Right.
craft पे ध्यान देती हूँ. Yeah, but the love from the audiences does matter to me.
Right. Okay. Do you think आशिकाना से लोग इतने deeply attached हैं आज भी कि कहीं ना कहीं वो लोग आपको, जो आपकी एक loyal fan base है, दूसरे किरदारों में accept करने में थोड़ा सा time लगाते हैं?
पता नहीं, एक्चुअली मैंने ये अभी तक सोचा नहीं. दूसरे कपल्स के साथ टाइम लगाते हैं, ये तो होगा शायद, ये हो सकता है, बिकॉज दे डोंट, आई मीन इफ आई हैव सीन समबडी विद समबडी, मैं अटैच्ड हूं उनसे, तो मैं उनको किसी और के साथ नहीं देख सकती.
Right.
This happens in actual human life also.
Absolutely.
You cannot see your boyfriend having a date with some other girl.
Absolutely right.
So वो चीज़ तो होगा. एक्सेप्टेंस का थोड़ा सा होता है. मुझे इतना कुछ अभी तक टचवुड मैंने इतना कुछ फेस नहीं किया. हाँ, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत मैं देखती हूँ कि people don't like it if uh, but I don't understand, it should go like both the ways, even for the girl and the guy.
Right.
Because if I am acting with somebody, I do not choose to act with them. It's how industry works. I cannot say मैं इनकी couple बनूंगी, मैं उनके साथ काम करूंगी or something. So yeah, I mean that is not an actor's part to choose.
Right. So the industry is of course very fast moving, fast paced industry है. क्या कभी भी आपको have you ever feared being forgotten and how do you stay grounded through the highs and the lows?
No, see, actually, देखा जाए तो I've been acting since I was 4, so I was a child actor then, but I left acting for a long while. Like I started doing my studies, I topped my 10th standard, मैं engineering किया मैंने, I wanted to go to UC Davis, and then I left that and I came back, and it was like starting from square one, from where I started back from there, which is like a very horrifying thing to see कि oh my god, am I supposed to start again? Like race के track पे आप वापस starting point पे. But Ashikana really, I'm very glad that Ashikana gave me all that success and recognition, even across the borders. मतलब मैंने टोरंटो से भी बहुत सारे फैंस देखे हैं, मनाली में भी देखे हैं, दुबई में इतना सारा देखा है मैंने. तो वो अभी तक तो इतना नहीं है, और फॉरगॉटन वाला तो अभी इतना मैंने सोचा नहीं अभी, क्योंकि अभी तो मैं कर ही रही हूँ, तो या.
राइट. कौन सा ये जो किरदार था आपका 4 साल की उम्र में जो आपने किया था, क्या हम जान सकते हैं?
4 साल की एज में मैंने किया था अनकही, which was Vikram sir's film, Vikram Bhatt sir.
Okay.
And I was playing Amisha and Aftab, Shivdesani's daughter.
Okay.
And that was actually a biopic of his, Vikram sir's biopic.
Yes.
So I was playing the then Krishna, like his daughter.
Okay.
And Aftab sir was playing Vikram sir. So very few people know this actually, that it's actually his biopic.
Right.
तो हाँ, वहाँ से मेरी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई. फिर मैंने नागिन किया था जी टीवी का, रुना रानी जी का, एंड the OG Nagin, and then I did a lot of other things. कैसा ये प्यार है.
Right. Do you recall anything as a child? Of course, अभी बहुत ज़्यादा तो याद नहीं रहता. कुछ मेमोरीज हैं अनकही की या नागिन की जो आप शेयर करना चाहें? या हाउ वाज इंडस्ट्री बैक देन? अब कैसी है? कुछ भी?
अनकही में तो आई रिमेम्बर मेरा ऐसे हुआ था ऑडिशन की, सर जस्ट आस्क्ड मी दैट यू स्लीप एंड देन यू गेट अप एंड आई एम योर डैड एंड हाउ विल यू ग्रीट मी एंड हाउ विल यू से कि गुड मॉर्निंग या मुझे कुछ खाना है या जो भी. अब मेरी तो बहुत ब्लीक मेमोरीज हो रही है, क्योंकि मैं तब 4 साल की थी, मुझे याद
एग्जैक्टली.
and I just got up and I said something I don't remember. I was a very talkative, I was a very expressive kid, not talkative, expressive. तो एंड ही वाज लाइक बाकी सारे ऑडिशंस बंद कर दीजिए प्लीज, शी इज लॉक्ड करके, एंड ही आस्क्ड ऑल द अदर रेस्ट हु वर गोना ऑडिशन, ही सेंड देम होम.
ओके.
एंड ही टोल्ड माय मॉम कि आपको ऐसा लगता है कि इन्हें कुछ इनकारनेशन है ये किसी का, कोई इनको ऐसी ड्रीम्स आती हैं क्या,
वाओ.
यू नो लाइक कोई ऐसी किसी की ड्रीम्स, शाहरुख खान की ड्रीम्स है, ऐसे कुछ 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 किसी पुराने एक्टर की, वेटरन एक्टर के ड्रीम्स कुछ आपको लगता है. सो शी सेड नहीं, ऐसा कुछ तो मेरे को नहीं पता. तो देन ही सेड दैट मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, इफ शी स्टेज बैक इन द इंडस्ट्री, शी हैज द कैलिबर टू बिकम द नेक्स्ट शाहरुख खान. And I was just 4 back then.
Oh my God.
That's a very beautiful compliment to say to a mother.
Right.
तो ये था. एंड मुझे याद है मेरी उसमें ना आधी मूवी में सारे दांत हैं, मैं इतनी छोटी थी, और आधी मूवी में मेरे दांत टूट चुके हैं. तो इतना कंटिन्यूटी जो था हर जगह, तो मेरे को वहाँ पे बहुत चढ़ाते थे सेट पे. आफ्ताब सर यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज टेल मी कि ये तुम्हारे चूहा लेके गया दांत, कौन लेके गया, ये दांत कहाँ गया तुम्हारा. तो वो सब था. एंड मुझे याद है दिल धड़कने दो में भी ऐसे ही कुछ हुआ था कि, so वहाँ पे भी I was the youngest.
You were also in Dil Dhadakne Do?
Yeah.
What were you
playing Putlu's character. I was playing the sister of Priyanka Chopra, cousin sister.
Okay.
So Dil Dhadakne Do में भी fortunately I was the most youngest person out there. So I was a kiddo. So PC had kept my nickname Poopy करके, and everybody used to gel well with me and pamper me. I was the smallest there. So I remember wrap up party चल रही थी, and Ranveer Singh had told. So we were all dancing and बहुत music चल रहा है. Some people are drunk, कुछ चल रहा है. And I was probably in my 5th, 6th standard, I don't remember. and yeah, fifth, sixth standard, and he came to me. He's like, "Come here." I was like, "Kya ho gaya? You come here. Listen, you have a lot of capabilities, and don't plan to leave this industry." Because at that time I was small, so I must have thought that probably I'm going to study after this and maybe leave the industry. A lot of child actors do that.
Right.
Don't, if you're going to do great, you're going to do wonders in this industry. So, and Ranveer was very open with me, because there was no filters or anything. So even if Zoya ma'am, if she used to be strict with them, a lot of times she used to scold everybody that listen, bring the multiplex down, I want your character. I remember shooting Galla Gudiya, और उसमें अनिल सर एंड रणवीर सर, they both were dancing like एकदम नाच रहे हैं and everything करके, and that was not their character. So Zoya ma'am has been one of the most like best directors I've worked with so far in films. But the thing is that she was, when it was work, she was very strict. तो वो बोल रही थी कि आप लोग बहुत ओवर कर रहे हो, कम करो, थोड़ा कम करो, कम करो.
Okay.
So Ranveer used to ask me, what do you think? Zo must have liked this take. What do you think? What do you think? अच्छा था, ऐसे करके. I used to tell me, yeah, this was on point. So yeah, I used to do all of that, and yeah.
Did you ever happen to get in touch after you started working again, after you came back in the industry and started from scratch? कभी विक्रम सर से या जोया से या किसी से बात हुई? Did you ever get in touch with them?
Vikram sir said, yes, I got in touch again, and regarding a project. And Zoya ma'am said not really. Couple of texts and everything, but I didn't happen to meet her by chance.
Right.
And but I really want to meet her, and I really want to meet Ranveer and all of us on the. Yes, I did meet a lot of the other cast, के लोग, like for example Vandana Sajnani ji and Dolly Mattu ji. I keep meeting them, even now and then. But yeah, we on the last day of Dil Dhadakne Do, we were all. We were all just shouting that let's make a DDD part 2 anyhow, like anyhow, because it was more like a shoot happening in the middle of a vacation.
Right,
So
absolutely.
it was like that, and it was a very dream come true experience for a child like me. And I'm very fortunate that Excel gave me that opportunity. It was my second with Excel at that time. और हाँ, एक मेरे नागिन से एक था इंसिडेंस कि मैं ना बिकॉज सिंस आई वाज प्लेइंग एन इच्छाधारी नागिन, सो आई यूज्ड टू कन्वर्ट बैक एंड फोर्थ, जो अब हम करते हैं हर शो में, बैक एंड फोर्थ कन्वर्ट. इच्छाधारी नागिन है, कभी इंसान है. तो एक बच्चा आया था मुझसे मिलने, एंड ही सेड कि ऐसे मिलने आया हूँ, वहीं पे रुक गया. एंड आई एम लाइक, क्या हो गया? तो बोलती वो डर रहा है कि अब कन्वर्ट हो जाऊंगा. तो वो डर रहा है कन्वर्ट हो जाओगे. तो अब मुझे तो चुल मची थी कि अच्छा ठीक है, अब और हम डराते हैं. फिर मुझे शालीन वाज आल्सो देयर विद मी. शालीन भरनॉट, ही वाज
Okay.
प्लेइंग माय चाचू, द देन चाचू. तो सो दे ऑल टोल्ड मी दैट लिसन, हम लोग एक प्लान करते हैं, अभी ना तू चली जा बाजू में, और हम लोग वो डमी सांप रख देंगे सामने. और डमी सांप हमने रख दिया सामने, और मैं चली गई. और वो वहां से लड़का ऐसा डर के भागा है कि अरे यार. फिर और उसको फिर हमने कैसे हेलो करवाया है मैं ही जानती हूँ. तो वो रो रहा था कि मुझे यहाँ से छुड़ाओ किसी तरह से. तो ये
Right.
सब था. हाँ.
Right. Okay. Do you think, Shape, now because you've worked in both the industries, in fact, in three platforms, on three platforms, अब क्योंकि now you've also dominantly been a part of television, is it difficult for a television actor to make their own space in the films and back good films, good projects?
See, I really don't know what goes behind the selection process in films, really, like really speaking. I'm sure I mean, I stand by this, that if there's talent, they will get an exposure, and they will, talent speaks for you. But maybe, I think there might be some kind of hard work, extra hard work you need to put in when you come from serials into films, I think. Um, uh, I have done a couple of films while I was a child. So I don't know if that is actually the case now, when after this I'm going to whenever I go for a movie or anything. But मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा as an outsider also I feel हल्का सा different तो होता है. You have to take a different like or maybe a longer path for the same project, for the same audition, for getting the same audition. Um, I really feel that I wanted to audition for a lot of projects, for a lot of movies, which I couldn't even audition for. And you know, और ये serials वाली बात also, I shouldn't think there should be any discrimination.
Right.
कि if you're coming from TV or you're coming from serial, whatever you've come from, so this will be the criteria if you're in the movie or not. I really don't think that should ever be a discrimination or criteria point. बट माइट बी दैट वे. अब मुझे भी अंदर की इंटरनल वर्किंग इतनी मुझे आइडिया नहीं है, बट आई थिंक थोड़ा बहुत होता होगा. दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम पीपल दैट यू नो यू शुड टेक अ गैप, यू शुड टेक अ ब्रेक और व्हाटएवर.
Right.
या
Right. Okay. There are also reports about you doing Big Boss. How true are they?
So I have spoken to the team. I've had talks with them. I've had discussions, but I don't know from where has this come that I've confirmed. I have confirmed, and then there's a caption niche. She has confirmed that she's been approached. So no, I haven't confirmed or something. I've been in talks, or हाँ दैट्स अबाउट बिग बॉस. मेरे सेट पे काफी लोग बोल रहे थे कि अच्छा तुम शो छोड़ के बिग बॉस में जा रही हो तो बता तो देती है. हम लाइक हैं कहाँ से हो गया ये, मैंने कब बोला ऐसा. तो नहीं, बट आई हैव जस्ट हैड अ डिस्कशन, दैट्स इट.
Right. Okay. But would we, if things fall into place, would we see you on the show? Because it's going to start, I think, in the next 2 weeks.
I have no idea. I swear to God, I have no idea. But if it is that way, I'll first one I'll be telling to his India forums.
Oh, wow.
And I'll
We're waiting to hear
exclusively
that.
break it to you guys. But अभी तो मुझे कुछ idea नहीं है.
Okay. Talking about the industry again, have you ever felt replaced or sidelined unfairly in a project? And how did you handle it?
Yeah, I have felt कि कोई project you know हाथ में आते आते it just went, you know,
Right.
it didn't came in my hands. And yeah, there were a couple of roles जिसमें मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि uh, I should be making it into this, or maybe I really loved my audition, or I'm very sure of it that this is what they want. Yeah, I feel very sad because you know even when you're meeting somebody, if you really want some role and you have already imagined yourself in that project कि मैं ऐसे करूँगी, this is what I'll put into that character, and you think you're fit enough for playing that role, और फिर उसके बाद अचानक से you get to know, or maybe you're shortlisted and then you get to know that oh okay I'm shortlisted for a couple of weeks but now I'm not a part of the project. So it is sad. It is sad for every actor, and all of this is a part. But I just feel that even the outsiders, or be it insiders or outsiders, doesn't matter. But if you are getting that role, you should do justice to that role. Like for example, Alia Bhatt, she's done justice to all her roles. So as long as you're doing justice to that role, अगर आप अच्छे से वो निभा रहे हो जो आपको जगह मिली है, because for a fact we know that मुंबई में इतने millions of लोग auditions करते हैं, इतना मतलब जद्दोजहद रहती है, कोई बस से travel कर रहा है, कोई even for me as a child actor when I started I had to do a lot of auditions, and इधर उधर भाग रहे हैं. My mom used to handle all of that at that time. And even till now we're working hard for that one role. So whoever gets that should just like you know outshine in that character, ताकि आपको दुख नहीं हो कि उसे मिल गया तो कोई बात नहीं, but she or he did really well in that character. So yeah.
Right.
But we should get equal chances is what I really feel. Yeah.
Right. Okay. When we talk about the industry, of course, we talk about, how difficult it is for TV actors
Yeah.
to make a space of their own.
Yeah.
We talk about nepotism. We also talk about one thing that is called casting couch. Tell us, how true is this? Does it happen? And have you ever कभी आपके साथ ऐसी कोई चीज़ हुई है कास्टिंग काउच जैसी, और एन अनफेयर और अनरीजनेबल डिमांड या ऐसा कुछ कभी हुआ है?
There have been like one person was there who spoke a little weirdly, but ऐसा मेरे साथ thank God touchwood नहीं हुआ है. I haven't got into that situation. I have no idea if this actually happens, but I have also heard a lot about it, that there's a
Right.
lot of it going on, especially in this industry, in other industries, um, regional industries. I've heard कि बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, and especially with girls, I've heard that a lot of this happens, and then this becomes a criteria. This becomes a part of
Right.
all the agreements and but हाँ मतलब कुछ एक दो weird बंदे मिले हैं मुझे. The way they've written it is weird, but
If you would
I
elaborate.
mean, they've asked me for some. For example, when you asked for sending your profile or maybe something like that. और उसमें कुछ ऐसा उन्होंने पूछ दिया है या demand कर दिया, which is just out of the line. Like nobody would require it in this industry. So हाँ थोड़ा बहुत था, but not too many. Like one or two.
Right. Okay. Who's that one actor you've okay, if you've ever had, you don't need to name. Who's that one actor you had zero chemistry with off camera but had to pretend otherwise on screen? कभी ऐसा हुआ है आपके साथ कि को स्टार के साथ केमिस्ट्री नहीं है लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स अब कर रहे हैं तो कर रहे हैं?
मतलब chemistry, हाँ, as in there was no love interest at all, even not a very great friend also for that matter. And even कुछ एक बार हुआ था ऐसा कि एकदम बातचीत ही नहीं हो रही है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, because there was something, I don't remember what had happened. So at that time, because I'm otherwise a very like I'm a little reserved when it comes to all of this. I get reserved. So हाँ हुआ था ऐसा. लेकिन when I'm on screen तो it didn't show actually.
Okay.
And I had a couple of my team members also making a lot of fun about it कि अच्छा कुछ भी लड़ाई नहीं हुई थी, देखा आपने on screen क्या चल रहा था.
हाँ हाँ.
So ऐसे हुआ है पहले. हाँ.
Right. Okay, lastly, tell us about your upcoming projects, especially what is in the pipeline. क्या हो रहा है? If not Big Boss on 24th of August, what next?
There are a couple of things that are in a pipeline. I just want them to translate when I'll break it to you guys. जब भी वो final हो जाएगा तब मैं आके खुद ही बता दूंगी. But हाँ अभी तो discussions और talks ही चल रही है. अभी तो मैं revive ही कर रही थी कि एकदम से जादू तेरी नजर went off है, and everybody, in fact I got a lot of calls कि exactly what happened. तो yeah, I mean थोड़ा सा वो था. I remember even I met Cover somewhere in an award show, and he's like I heard, and what is this news, because none of them were expecting.
Absolutely.
So, yeah. So yeah, there are a couple of things. I hope there is a movie. I hope there's a nice show, anything, I mean, but अभी तो सब बातें बातें चल रही हैं.
Okay. That's it, Kushi. Thank you so much for talking
Thank
to
you
us
so
today.
much. Thank you.